Again, we will see one more problem based on this method 3, example 2. Here the problem is given as solve the differential equation x cube plus y cube plus 1 into dx plus xy square equal into dy equal to 0. The given equation we are taking as equation 1. Again, the given equation is in the form of m dx. Always we have to compare this equation. The given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy. Okay. What is m value here? X cube plus y cube plus 1 and n value is xy square. Again, partially differentiate this m value with respect to y. We will get differentiation of x cube is 0, differentiation of y cube is 3y square, and differentiation of 1 is 0. So what we got? 3y square. Again, take n, partially differentiate with respect to x. Y square is constant, differentiation the y square is constant. Differentiation of x is 1. So we got as y square. So in this problem also, this dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So we can say that the given equation 1 is not exact differentiable equation. So according to method 3, what we have to find? We have to consider this 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Okay. So what is n here? Xy square. Dou m by dou y is 3y square and dou n by dou x is y square. So 3 times y square minus 1 time y square is 2 times y square by xy square. Y square is getting cancelled. We are getting 2 by x. So this is in the function of x. So if it is a function of x, we have to calculate integrating factor as e power integral of f of x dx. So what is f of x value here? 2 by x. E power integral of 2 by x. 2 is constant, take outside. Integral of 1 by x is log x. And again, using the logarithmic formula, this can be written as e power log x square. E power log x square. And e and log is getting cancelled. We left only with x square. So we got integrating factor as x square. So after getting the integrating factor, that integrating factor we have to multiply with the equation 1 to get an exact differentiable equation. So we are multiplying the integrating factor with the equation 1. Integrating factor is x square. Equation 1 is x cube plus y cube plus 1 into dx plus x into y square into dy equal to 0. So again after multiplying, again the equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy. Again here we have the m1 value as here multiplied the equation. The equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy. M1 value is x power 5 plus x square into y cube plus x square. X square, no? Here I wrote x cube, x square. Square girls here. This one is square and n1 is x cube y square. Again partially differentiate this m1 with respect to y. So here 0 and here x square also will get 0. So if this one is x square, integral this differentiation of y cube is 3y square. So we are getting 3x square y square and differentiate n1 value partially with respect to x. So what we are, this y square is constant, differentiation of x cube is 3x square. We got 3x square y square. Now dou m1y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Both the values are equal. So we can say this equation 2 is exact differentiable equation. Equation 2 is exact differentiable equation. Now we have to find the general solution. To find general solution, the formula is m1, where in m1 all the y terms we have to take as constant into dx plus integral of n1 the terms which are not having x we have to take into dy equal to c. What is m1 here? X cube plus x square plus square y square square this one y square into dx plus integral of n1 the terms which are not having x. We have here n1 as x cube y square. The term is having x. So we don't have the terms which are not having x. So we have to keep as 0 dy equal to c. And integrate this integral of x power 5 is x power 6 by 6 plus y cube is constant and integral of x square is x cube by 3, and again plus integral of x square is x cube by 3. Here we will get x cube by 3 equal to c. This is general solution for the given differential equation.